This summer, between July 20th and August 2nd, Green Visions, an ecotourism and outdoor adventure agency from Bosnia and Herzegovina,
in partnership with BHeart, a nonprofit organization based in the United States, are offering a completely unique travel study program in Bosnia and Herzegovina.
The program is open to students and young adults aged 17 to 27 from the United States and all over the world.
The travel study program will offer an immersive student experience by combining ecotourism,
guest lectures,
workshops,
adventure,
and fun activities in Bosnia and Herzegovina.
The program participants will visit 6 beautiful cities:
Sarajevo, Mostar, Jajce, Travnik, Banja Luka, and Bihać.
Several mountains and villages, and some of the country's most stunning rivers.
participate in lectures on Bosnia and Herzegovina socialist and anti-fascist past, war destruction and post-war reconstruction,
Resilience and resistance, transnational migration, environmental, and many other issues.
Led by academics, journalists, government officials, activists, and nature enthusiasts.
We will also meet and engage in discussions with other youth from around the globe.
perform community work, enjoy and explore the country's breathtaking nature, including hiking and rafting, as well as the rich cultural and social life.
We want you to take off your lenses, open your eyes, immerse yourself in Bosnia and Herzegovina that we know and love.
We are confident that at the conclusion of this transformative program, you will leave Bosnia and Herzegovina with a fuller heart,
More open mind.
some answers,
and many more questions.
See you in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Vidimo se u Bosni i Hercegovini.
See you in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Vidimo se u Bosni i Hercegovini.